Hello everyone. Today we'll create a logo for your startup or your business in just 5 minutes without using any software. So, go to this website. I have linked this website in the description. You can follow that. So, go to templates, then click on logo. So, it will redirect you to this page. So, from here, you will see the blueprint of logos. You can choose any logo, whichever you like, and customize it on your own. For customizing, you just have to choose the any blueprint and right click on it, and you will redirect to another page. For the sake of this tutorial, I have chosen a logo. So you just have to click use this template, and it will open in this scenario where you can update or customize this. So from here we will customize our logo. So first step is to write our company name or your YouTube channel name, whatever you want. So I'll write my own name in this. So some of you have your own image or video which you want to edit it in this logo. So you simply have to upload your file here and it will be shown here. Another option, you have unlimited photos present here which you can choose from here. And if you want to undo any change, you can always press Ctrl plus Z to undo the changes. So let's go to the elements. From here you can edit elements to here, shapes, features, gradients, charts, anything you can choose from here. And next one is text. You can choose any font size from here, whichever you like. And next one is videos. So same, you have there are unlimited videos present here. You can choose any video and it will be shown in the logo. If you want a 3D type of logo, so this option is for that purpose. So let's go to our last option, that is background. From here you can update your background as well. There are unlimited options from where you can choose. So I will choose this one. But for you, I am giving you a tip that always stick to the basic colors, which is black and white and the shades of gray. And from this option you can change the color. And you can even change the color of inside the lotus, which is white, from here. So you can also play with the size. You can always increase decrease the size of the image or the text. So let's get to the main part, which is of course download. Click on download. and choose the file type to PNG. PNG file format is more easy to blend in any situation. So in the future, if you want to customize it, it will be more beneficial if you choose PNG format. So our file is started downloading. So that's how you can make your logo in just 5 minutes without any software.